If you want to enjoy the perfect conditions here at Tremblant, your skis have to be in perfect conditions too. So stop at the ski shop.
The ski shop is the place to be. We will adjust your ski, we will tune up your ski, we will make the fixation adjustment. If you have any problem with your equipment, the snowboard or skiing, you have to be here. Our technician will help you to enjoy the day and to give you the best equipment that we can for your weekend. We got two time frames. We got what we call an overnight. So you bring us your equipment and we will give you in the morning and the next day, or you can be a rush. So you will let us take your equipment. In about an hour, we will give you back your equipment with all the edge and everything tuned up. The ski shop owns what we call it a Discovery 2 is probably the best machine on the market today to make some tune up on your ski. We got all the possibilities with this machine, all the edge and all the degrees you need. So for the skier that will be here just for a day or some runner, the Discovery will make everything great for the equipment. I will tell to the people that bring their equipment when they arrive at the mountain. So they will have the best equipment for all the weekend to enjoy all the condition here in Tremblant. So it will be a great pleasure to us to serve them and to make their equipment the best way we can.